In the serene ashram of Vedashram, nestled amidst the lush foothills of the western Ghats, lived a revered sage named Guru Raghavan. Known for his profound wisdom and boundless compassion, Guru Raghavan had dedicated his life to the pursuit of moksha, spiritual liberation. His teachings drew seekers from all corners of India, yearning for enlightenment and inner peace. The ashram was a sanctuary of tranquility, where the scent of jasmine and sandalwood mingled with the gentle rustle of leaves and the distant song of a koel. Here, Guru Raghavan spent his days meditating, teaching, and tending to the vibrant gardens, which overflowed with a riot of colorful flowers and medicinal herbs. Yet, there was one practice Guru Raghavan held sacred above all others, a unique meditation known as the 8-minute mind. This ancient technique, passed down through generations of sages, allowed Guru Raghavan to momentarily read the minds of those around him. It was said to last exactly 8 minutes, no more, no less. This ability, however, was not one he used lightly. It required deep concentration and an unwavering heart, for to glimpse into another's mind was to witness the raw essence of their being. One tranquil morning, as the first rays of dawn kissed the temple's golden spires, a young seeker named Arav approached Guru Raghavan with a troubled heart. Arav had recently joined the ashram, seeking solace from the turmoil of the outside world. Despite his best efforts, he struggled with inner demons that clouded his mind and spirit. Guruji, Arav began, bowing deeply, I am tormented by doubts and fears. I cannot find peace in my meditations. I humbly ask for your guidance. Guru Raghavan regarded the young man with gentle eyes that seemed to hold the wisdom of ages. Peace comes from understanding, my child. Sometimes, to understand oneself, one must first understand others. Sit with me, and we shall begin the 8-minute mind. Arav's eyes widened in surprise, for he had heard whispers of this extraordinary practice but never imagined he would partake in it. He settled beside Guru Raghavan, who closed his eyes and took a deep, calming breath. The world around them seemed to fade away, leaving only the soft rustle of leaves and the distant song of a koel. For 8 minutes, Guru Raghavan's consciousness intertwined with Arav's. He saw flashes of the young seeker's past, anxious nights spent worrying about his family's expectations, the sting of failure from unfulfilled dreams, and the relentless pressure to succeed. He felt Arav's yearning for acceptance and the heavy burden of his self-imposed guilt. Guru Raghavan's heart ached with empathy. He understood that Arav's struggles were not unique, they were the struggles of every human being who sought meaning in a world filled with uncertainty. As the final seconds of the 8 minutes ticked away, Guru Raghavan gently withdrew from Arav's mind, opening his eyes to find the young man weeping silently. Arav, Guru Raghavan said softly, placing a comforting hand on his shoulder, the doubts and fears you carry are the shadows cast by your own expectations. You are not alone in this journey. Each of us must face our inner darkness to find the light. Through tear-filled eyes, Arav looked at Guru Raghavan, feeling a profound sense of relief and connection. Thank you, Guruji. I see now that I am not alone, and that acceptance begins within. Guru Raghavan smiled, his heart swelling with pride for the young seeker's newfound understanding. Remember, Arav, that true peace comes from embracing both the light and the shadows within. Continue your meditation with this knowledge, and you will find the serenity you seek. As the sun climbed higher, bathing the ashram in golden light, Arav felt a renewed sense of purpose. He knew that the path to moksha was not an easy one, but with Guru Raghavan's guidance and the wisdom of the 8-minute mind, he felt ready to face the challenges ahead. Arav's journey of self-discovery was just beginning. Each day, he immersed himself in the teachings of the Vedas, practiced yoga and pranayam, and spent hours in silent meditation. The more he delved into the sacred texts, the more he realized that his struggles were a part of the human condition, echoed in the lives of saints and sages who had walked the path before him. One evening, as the ashram was bathed in the soft glow of twilight, Guru Raghavan gathered his disciples for a satsang, a spiritual discourse. The air was filled with anticipation as the seekers settled around him, eager to absorb his wisdom. Today, I wish to share a story, Guru Raghavan began, his voice calm and soothing. It is the tale of King Ashoka, a mighty ruler who transformed from a conqueror to a beacon of peace. The disciples leaned in, their eyes fixed on the Guru. King Ashoka, after witnessing the bloodshed of the Kalinga war, was filled with remorse. The suffering of his people weighed heavily on his heart, and he realized that true power lay not in conquering lands but in conquering oneself. He embraced the teachings of the Buddha and dedicated his life to Dharma, the path of righteousness. Guru Raghavan paused, allowing the story to sink in. Like Ashoka, each of us has the power to transform our lives. The journey to inner peace is not without its trials, but it is through these challenges that we grow. Remember, Arav, and all of you, that every thought, every emotion, and every experience is a stepping stone on the path to spiritual liberation. Arav felt a deep resonance with the story. He realized that his doubts and fears were opportunities for growth, not obstacles. Inspired by Guru Raghavan's words, he continued his practice with renewed vigor. Months passed, and Arav's inner turmoil began to subside. He found solace in the simple pleasures of ashram life, drawing water from the well, tending to the garden, and chanting mantras during the early morning hours. The ashram community became his family, offering support and companionship on his spiritual journey. One day, as Arav was meditating by the river that flowed gently past the ashram, he experienced a moment of profound clarity. He understood that the mind is like the river, constantly flowing, sometimes turbulent, but always moving towards the ocean of oneness. In that moment, he let go of his fears and embraced the present, finding a deep sense of peace. Eager to share his insights, Arav approached Guru Raghavan, who was seated under the ancient banyan tree, its branches stretching out like a protective canopy. Guruji, Arav began, his voice filled with gratitude, I have had a realization. The mind is like the river, always flowing, always changing. It is in accepting this flow that we find peace. Guru Raghavan smiled, his eyes twinkling with approval. You have learned well, Arav. The river teaches us that life is impermanent, and in embracing this impermanence, we find true liberation. Continue to flow with the river, and you will discover the boundless ocean of your true self. Arav bowed deeply, his heart overflowing with gratitude. He understood that the journey to enlightenment was a continuous process, a dance between the mind and the soul. As the seasons changed, Arav blossomed into a source of inspiration for new seekers who arrived at the ashram, each carrying their own burdens and dreams. He shared his experiences and insights, guiding them with the same compassion and wisdom that Guru Raghavan had shown him. One morning, during a meditation session, Arav felt a deep sense of unity with all beings. He realized that the 8-minute mind was not just a technique but a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life. Each thought, each emotion, and each experience was a thread in the vast tapestry of existence. He approached Guru Raghavan, who was gazing at the horizon where the sky met the mountains. Guruji, Arav said softly, I have come to understand that we are all connected, like threads in a grand tapestry. The 8-minute mind has shown me the beauty of this interconnectedness. Guru Raghavan turned to him, his face radiant with pride. You have truly embraced the essence of our teachings, Arav. The realization of our oneness is the key to compassion and love. Continue to nurture this understanding, and you will bring light to the lives of many. Years later, as Guru Raghavan prepared to leave his physical form, he entrusted Arav with the responsibility of guiding the ashram. Arav accepted this honor with humility and dedication, knowing that the journey of the 8-minute mind would continue to inspire and transform seekers for generations to come. In the tranquil hills of the Western Ghats, the ashram flourished under Arav's stewardship. The teachings of Guru Raghavan lived on, guiding countless souls on their path to inner peace and spiritual liberation. And so, the 8-minute mind became a timeless legacy, a beacon of wisdom in a world in search of light.